First, cut out your rectangle. See the comments or instructions for suggested sizing. Now mark every 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters down the sides. I like to cut it because it's easier for me to see, but you can use whatever marking tool you like. Now we're going to iron. I'm usually pretty lazy when it comes to ironing, but don't skip out on this part. You can start at the first mark or down one. I'm starting down one because I want to have a little bit more space above and below my Moto patch so that the stitches aren't sewn in with the seam. Now using a 1/4 inch or 0.6 centimeters, use a straight stitch along the fold. It doesn't really matter which side you sew from, but I suggest keeping it consistent with each one as you go along. Then repeat these steps a few times until you have a few rows. Depending on what size you're sewing, I do a few and then hold it up to your pattern piece and decide how many rows you want exactly. Once you have enough rows, press them all down in the same direction and cut your pieces out. Make sure to cut them as opposites. So one right side up and then flip it over and then cut it again.